Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Nookyo haul for you guys. I'm so excited for this because this is the first time I actually ordered off Nookyo, and I found some great photo cards there that really helped me to complete some collections of my enhypen photo cards. And I'm very excited to open this. I've actually already opened the box just to check if everything arrived safely, if something was missing, and obviously like on some of the cards there were like my name on it with the barcode and stuff, so I removed that as well just for privacy reasons. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and if you like this video then make sure to give it a thumbs up if you've liked it, and of course subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more Nookyo hauls from me in the future or any other K-pop haul basically. So okay, enough rambling, let's get on with this video. Okay, so first let me take off the washi tape. I just put it there myself because it kept like opening. Okay, let's open this up. Yes, so it's mostly, I'm so sorry for the inside of the box. It's mostly enhypen's photo cards. Well, not mostly, literally all of them is enhypen photo cards. It's mostly Heeseung because I got a lot of Heeseung's cards of Mercari Japan, and Nookyo is like this Proxy site. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by Nookyo because I know that there are some videos that are sponsored by Nookyo, but this one is not. So just letting you guys know. Nookyo is, by the way, a Japanese proxy site which like sells products, or is like which sells products that you could normally get of Mercari Japan. And but I know that Mercari Japan is also partnering up with Bai to get stuff sent internationally, but Nookyo also does things from Yahoo Actions, Rakuten, Mercari Japan, and other sites where you can get stuff from. So yeah, that's basically it. Yes, so let's open this one up. I checked everything and everything is complete. I already see my first card, obviously, which I'm going to start about. This one is hard to get, so I'm just going to pull them one by one. So I'm going to do that off camera, or else you'll probably be spoiled with what the next card is going to be. So yes. So this is the first card. We have enhypen Border Day 1, and we have Jungwon's Dawn photo card, one of his 3 Dawn photo cards. And I'm super happy because with this one I actually completed my Jungwon Border Day 1 collection, because this was the last one I needed. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys. It's in this top loader, which is always great. Okay, so this is the photo card. Let me take it out. Oh, it's like the top loader is like this time. Okay. Ugh. The struggle of having gel nails. Yes. Let's take it out of the sleeve as well. Okay, so this is the photo card. Super cute. He's such a cutie. He's my ultimate bias, by the way, and also my first bias in enhypen, obviously. So this is the photo card. Very cute. So I'm gonna put that one away. And now let's get on with the next photo card, which is this one. Obviously it's an essential from the Lemma Essential album. Those are basically so hard to get and very expensive, because not a lot of people collect those, and those are pretty hard to find anyway, because there are 21 photo cards in total for the Essential album. So if you want to collect the essential ones, it's very hard, and they also go for a lot of money. So I got this one. This is from the Odysseus Essential version. It is so cute. Like, it's literally the cutest ever, and I really want this one. And literally always on Instagram it was always sold very quick, so I'm so happy I was able to get this off Mercari. Let's take it out. Oh, this is such a cute photo card. Look at him. So cute. I've almost completed my Jungwon Dimension Dilemma collection. The only PC I'm missing at the moment is the Charybdis Essential of this one, but I've joined a group order for that one, so I hope that group order doesn't get cancelled, or else I have to find it somewhere else. Because like I said, essential photo cards are very hard to find. So yeah, so I'm super happy with this one. Very cute. So those were actually all my Jungwon photo cards. The rest is Heeseung. because I collect Heeseung as well. So the next one we have is also a Border Day 1 photo card, and it's this one. Very, very cute. I got this one. Oh, there's tape on this sleeve, which is not nice at all. Let me just fix that. Is it like a usual thing to put tape on the sleeves? I don't think so, right? This is a bit unfortunate because now I have to struggle to get this one out without damaging the sleeve and the photo card. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna put it in another sleeve anyways, just I'm scared of damaging the photo card. Okay, I gave up after like 10 seconds, so I just cut through the sleeve. Of course, not damaging the photo card, it's still looking fine. I'm gonna put it in another sleeve anyway, so it's fine. So yes, we have this Heeseung Dusk photo card, one of his 3. And I actually completed my Heeseung Border Day 1 collection, but the remaining photo cards are actually still on the way. So basically I sort of completed it, but they're still on the way. But I have this one. Wait, is there like there's a little sort of dent. I don't know what that is, but it's fine. It's still looking good either way. So that's this photo card. Very, very cute. Next up we have one of the Border Hakanai photo cards, and that is this Heeseung solo jacket one. Like this one, and especially the one where he's wearing the glasses and throwing the peace sign, that one is so hard to find, because literally on trading Instagram it's literally claimed in like 5 seconds whenever someone posts it up for sale. I actually bought the Heeseung glasses one off someone on Instagram, but I did like pay a very high price for it. I'm gonna be honest with that, but I was so desperate and I was literally looking for the photo card. Because also on Mercari, like once it was there up for like an hour, it was gone right away. So, which was so unfortunate. But I was so happy to snatch this one on Mercari Japan. So I got this one. It was also a bit expensive, I'm going to be honest. But the solo jacket photo cards are a bit like more expensive anyway, because the solo jackets were only limited edition. So I have this one. He's so cute. Throwing the little heart. Oh, they only put it in the top loader and they didn't put the sleeve over it, but it's still looking great. This is the photo card. Very cute. It's funny how it says not for sale, because basically everyone is selling them, but you know what I mean. Yes, so that's that. So next I have this holo from the Dimension Dilemma album in the Odysseus version. I got Heeseung's holo. It was for a good price off Mercari Japan, so I was like, why not get that one as well? So this is the holo. You cannot really see that it's a holo, but sort of, I guess, with the colors. It's very, very cute. So yes, that's the photo card. And then next up we have another Border Hakanai one, and this is the Heeseung standard photo card, like one of his standards. Like, I'm not collecting all the Japanese photo cards because that's basically a pain in the butt to collect all of them, especially the Lucky Draw, the Tower Records Lucky Draw. They are so hella expensive. Like, I'm not even gonna start with those. I'm only collecting these versions of the standard ones, not the like with the white shirts and stuff like that, more like this one. And the 2 solo jackets. Those are the only Japanese photo cards I collect of Jungwon and Heeseung. So I got this one also for a very good price. I feel like it's a lot easier to find Japanese photo cards on Mercari Japan, because obviously Japan. So yes, I have these. It's in a nice this one is sleeved, so that's good. So this is the photo card. He looks very good. Yes, so I'm actually like curious what I'm gonna do with our next Japanese comeback if I do collect all those cards. So let's see. So I got Heeseung's photo card, which is very nice. Let's put it back in the sleeve. And this is the last card I'm gonna show, and I'm so happy I got my hands off this one. It's this Heeseung Skilla Essential one. Look how cute he is. This is literally the cutest photo card ever. Like, I know this is also a very big pain in the butt to get, because every time when it's on trading Instagram, it's also sold right away. And also people sell this on eBay and on Mercari for like very expensive prices. I am going to be honest, I also paid a bit more for this than the regular price would be. Like, so I did pay for this one quite a lot, but it was so worth it, and I'm so happy. Look how cute he is. This is such the cutest photo card ever. Ugh, why did they put a tape on this again? I made a cut again through it because I was being impatient, but the photo card is still looking fine. So this is the card. Very, very cute. And yes, now I've actually completed Heeseung's Dimension Dilemma collection, which I'm super happy about because, yeah, I'm very happy that I could collect all his cards. And yeah, so that was basically everything. So these are all the cards I got of neokyo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked, of course subscribe, and also let me know if you'd like to see more neokyo hauls in the future. And yeah, I'm very happy with those, and I'll see you guys the next time in a new video. Bye bye!